Hey! Deep links are keyword links on a page of your website that, when clicked on, take you to another page of your website. These deep links will make more pages visible and increase the average time visitors spend on your website, which will ultimately have a positive effect on your position in the search engine results. Make sure the word is relevant to the page that it links to. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and then select a page for which you would like to add a deep link. Select a search term for which there is a relevant page with thematic reference and additional information. Click on the chain link symbol from the toolbox menu and enter the URL of the page you would like the search term to link to. Optionally, you can activate additional settings such as opening the deep link in a new tab and adding a nofollow to the link. Depending on the scope of your content, you should repeat the process for up to 4 more search terms. Be sure to make full use of all your pages. Great work! Now click on Update. When the task is complete, mark it as finished and let's move on to the next one. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.